Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 IEM earbuds in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading IEM earbud that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The FiiO FH7S in-ear earphones. These high-performance IEMs boast hybrid technology with one dynamic driver and 4 balanced armatures. Let's explore what makes them special. The FH7S features a 13.6mm DLC diaphragm dynamic bass driver and 4 Knowles BA drivers. This combination delivers rich, detailed sound across all frequencies, ensuring an immersive listening experience. Inspired by sci-fi aesthetics, the FH7S sports a futuristic armor design. Despite its bold look, it maintains a comfortable, rounded shape that fits perfectly in your ears for long sessions. The semi-open design reduces air resistance, resulting in smoother, more detailed sound. Enjoy a natural timbre, expansive soundstage, and precise imaging with these innovative earphones. The S.Turbo acoustic design enhances bass frequencies, providing deep, textured bass. The turbine-shaped tube ensures that every beat is thunderous and bold, perfect for bass enthusiasts. The new HS18 silicone ear tips have a large opening to minimize sound barriers. This design reduces high-frequency loss and enhances resolution, offering a clearer, more detailed sound. In conclusion, the FiiO FH7S earphones combine cutting-edge technology and design for an exceptional audio experience. If you're looking for high-performance IEMs, these are definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Linsoul KZ-ZS10 Pro. These 4BA plus 1DD hybrid earphones promise a hi-fi experience with their sleek design and impressive specs. Let's get started. The ZS10 Pro features a stainless steel faceplate and resin cavity, combining elegance with durability. The detachable gold-plated QDC cable ensures longevity and easy upgrades. With two 30,095 drivers for highs and two 50060 drivers for mids, the sound is dynamic and bright. The second-generation Tesla double magnetic dynamic unit enhances the overall audio experience. Ergonomically designed based on cochlea data, these earphones fit securely even during vigorous activities. They provide a comfortable listening experience for extended periods. The ZS10 Pro offers excellent noise isolation, making them perfect for noisy environments. Enjoy your music without distractions, whether you're gaming or commuting. In conclusion, the Linsoul KZ-ZS10 Pro delivers exceptional sound quality, comfort, and durability. If you're looking for high-performance earphones, these are definitely worth considering. Number 3. The FiiO FH7S HiFi earphones. These in-ear gems promise high resolution, bass sound, and high fidelity for your smartphone, PC, or tablet. Let's get started. The FH7S features 3 drivers, 1 dynamic and 2 Knowles BA. This combination ensures a full frequency range, delivering clear highs, sweet mids, and deep bass. Included is a high-purity monocrystalline silver-plated copper cable. With 4 strands of 96 wires, it enhances fidelity and detail, making your music sound sublime. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum-magnesium alloy, the FH7S offers comfort and durability. The 5-axis CNC machining ensures a precise fit for extended listening sessions. The physical and electronic crossover system masterfully covers the entire frequency range. The Knowles drivers provide smooth treble and fuller vocals, enhancing your listening experience. Note that international products may have different terms, fit, and labeling. Always check these details before purchasing to ensure compatibility. In conclusion, the FiiO FH7S HiFi earphones are a fantastic choice for audiophiles seeking high resolution and comfort. Number 2. The Shure SE215 Pro Wired Earbuds. These earphones promise professional sound isolation, clear sound, and deep bass. Let's see if they live up to the hype. The SE215 Pro delivers striking full-range sound with a single dynamic microdriver. You'll experience music the way it was meant to be heard, with enhanced bass and clear, detailed audio. These earbuds come with 3 sizes of flex and black foam sleeves. This ensures a customized fit, making them comfortable for long listening sessions, whether you're at home or on the go. With sound isolating technology, the SE215 Pro blocks up to 37 dB of noise. This feature is perfect for eliminating distractions, providing an immersive listening experience during exercise or travel. The secure, over-the-ear design keeps the earphones in place, while the durable reinforced cable allows for easy replacement or customization. These earphones are built to last. In conclusion, the Shure SE215 Pro wired earbuds offer professional-grade sound, a secure fit, and excellent noise isolation. They're a fantastic choice for both personal listening and professional monitoring. Number 1. The YINYOO EZ-KZ ZST Colorful Hybrid In-Ear Earphones. These earbuds promise a blend of comfort, style, and high-quality sound. Let's see if they deliver. The KZ ZST earphones feature an ergonomic design with memory wire technology, ensuring a secure fit. Each driver has an independent sound channel, providing rich bass, mids, and treble. These earphones excel in noise cancellation, thanks to their patented silicone tips. They fit comfortably and deliver sound directly to your eardrum, enhancing your gaming and listening experience. Priced around $20, the KZ ZST earphones offer hybrid technology with a special armature and dynamic driver. They are perfect for gaming, computers, and more, providing excellent value. With a 3.5mm L plug and a stylish design, these earphones also feature a removable cable. This adds to their durability and convenience, making them a great choice. In conclusion, overall, the YINYOO EZ-KZ ZST earphones are a fantastic option for anyone seeking quality sound, comfort, and style on a budget. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.